Are you guys from Japan?
Different China.
We're from China and then came to America. When I was a baby, I'm so cute.
Oh yeah.
吃饱了，我们现在出发去动物园。三宝继续在睡。咱办了卡，所以随时可以来。
哦，你之前都办卡了？
就家庭年卡，随时可以来。哎哎哎！
要把鞋都弄湿了。他这是饲养员是吧？
嗯。哎，那你想在这儿工作吗？
不想，
为啥？
很好玩的。
我是想在水里玩。
这看这里。
那是万圣节装饰。
哦，看你那个背。就这样子。蜘蛛、蝙蝠，还有蜘蛛。
那里面一口棺材。哦，
那是什么呢？
哦，是一个骨头。
他不说话了。
他如果说话，你就直接哭了，你就不笑了。这只鸟就围着 Aiden， 然后 Aiden 就站在那里。他喜欢我们是不是？
哎，什么？
你小心一点。OK， 走了。嗨，你好，你好，你好。
你干什么？
奶奶在看水獭。That's her first time go to the zoo.
Yeah.
它的名字叫黑白疣猴，
外号叫光头强。
因为它头上跟戴个帽子一样。嗯，而且推的平头，看。
这里有退险。
嗯，这脸上你看脸。
那个拽它的尾巴不让它上去。Yeah, I saw that. 你太调皮了吧？这俩小孩太调皮了。然后这三个就是老年人，哈，坐那一动不动。
不动。
那俩小孩。
跟年轻小孩的不一样。
这是啥？
让我们说中文。
Do you see that? I think a groundhog.
伤害性不大，侮辱性不强。
那个胖娃娃走过来了，看到没有？看见 ？I don't know. I think it's 土拨鼠。哎呀，观光车来接我们了。
不要称赞的。
Hello.
Are you guys from Japan?
Different China.
We're from China and then came to America. My daddy is not from China. Then my daddy just comes from China and then we both come to America.
Wow. That's a big trip. Did you fly?
Yeah, on an
Like this?
airplane.
Oh, on an airplane. You didn't flap
Yeah.
the wings?
When I was a baby, I'm so cute.
Oh, yeah. Then what happened?
Then I didn't cry.
What? Her name is Ellie. Yeah.
She born this year?
Yeah. She born August 8.
Oh, boy. August 8th.
Thank you.
And my birthday, I got a lot of birthday presents. Like, a lot.
A lot, huh? A boatload?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we arrived.
I'll just play.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
Your baby looks nice.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
他们又去捡人去了。
这个眼走不开了呀，还在说话呢。哇，艾丽，吃饱了吗？结束回家。
授业时间，老大在上面写，老三在那里。
Very good. Good job. Okay, here comes the next one.
这做作业从傍晚做到天黑了。
I don't know, maybe 5.
When I say the word cookie, how many times do I clap? Cookie.
2.
Yeah.
I said 1 for 2.
No, you said 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, I think 1 or 2. 1,
Cookie.
2.
Yeah.
这里一个写作业的，你作业写完了吗？现在发送，搞定了。你笑啥？你笑啥？你躺床上躺一会儿，躺姐姐床上舒服吧？就看着你，就看着你。Hello。Hello。又来看姐姐。